Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri, SPDI MPD, as a lecturer in the English Economic course and friends of MKS2C, who I am proud of. Allow me to open the presentation activity today. Let's open this presentation by reading a prayer so that this meeting can bring benefits and be given fluence. Next, I leave the event to the moderator from Group 7. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Peace be upon you and Allah mercy and blessing. Good afternoon and greetings to all of us. The Honorable Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri, SPDI MPD, as a lecturer of Economic English courses and all happy friends. First of all, let us praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving us health and opportunities so that we can meet in the online presentation today. Okay. Before I open the online presentation this afternoon, allow me to introduce myself. Introduce me to Intan Karisma Novi Anggi as moderator from Group 7. We will greet today's presentation from start to finish. The schedule of event that we will participate in together are: opening presentation of material by the presenter, and then cover. To start today's presentation, let's start with reading Basmalah together so that everything is given smooth. Amin. For the next event, namely the delivery of material, I invite the presenter at that time and place. Introduce me to Intan Karisma Novi Anggi.
I am Salsabila Azani.
My name is Norvia Septianingrum.
I'm Milvana Dia Aprilia.
Number 1. Definition and legal basic Syirkah. Definition: in Syirkah language means all ikhtilal mixture or fellowship, two or more things, so that between each is difficult to distinguish. In the legal dictionary, musyarakah means a trade union, kongsi, company, or alliance. Legal basis: the legal basis for shirk contained in the Quran chapter 38 verse 34, which mean in that most of those who associate some of them do wrong to others, except for those who believe and do good deeds, and there are very few of them.
Okay, next is point 2. The pillar and conditions of Syirkah. A pillar of Syirkah become the pillar of Syirkah according to the provisionist Islamic Sharia are sigot lafat kontrak, people parties who form a union, mind work, file our business being run. B. Syirkah conditions. The conditions for Syirkah are as follows. Syirkah is carried out with cash capital, two or more people in a association submit capital, mixing between the belongings of the guild member, and they agree and kind his company. Two or more people mix their two assets so that they cannot be distinguished from one another. Profit and loss are regulated by the ratio of the union's capital asset given. As for the conditions for people who entering into a union or joint venture agreement must reasonable person, balik and by their own will. As for the capital goods included in the union should be valuable capital good, usually often stated in the form of money. The capital included by each company merged into one, which is the property of the company, and there is no question about where the capital came from that. Point 3. The principle of Syirkah. The principle of Syirkah itself is profit sharing, namely a cooperation agreement between two or more parties who own capital, money or goods to finance a business. The profit from the business are divided according to the agreement of the parties, which does not have to be equal to the share of each other capital.
And the next material is kinds of Syirkah. Number 1. Syirkah inan or Syirkah property. means a contract of two or more people to associate assets determined by both with the intention of gaining profit, and the profit are for those who are in union. Number 2, Abdan Syirkah or work syirkah is an association between two or more people to carry out business or work. The results of such are divided between them according to an agreement. Number 3, Syirkah Mufawadah is the joining of two or more people to cooperate in an affair. Number 4, Syirkah Wujuh is that two or more people bring something without any existing capital, is simply holding on to their good name, and the traders trade in them provided that the profit are for them. Number 5, Syirkah Mudharabah is syirkah between two or more parties with the stipulation that one party contributes work while the other party contributes capital. Okay, and the next majority is advantageous and disadvantageous. Some scholars argue the profit and loss must be accordant with the ratio of capital. If one person has a capital of 100 rupiah and others 50,000 rupiah, then the first one shall get 2 or 3 of the total profit, and the second one shall get 1 or 3 of it. Likewise, losses must be in accordance with the respective capital ratio. However, some scholars are the opinion that it does not have to be the sum according to the capital ratio. It can be more or less according to the agreement between the two in establishing a company or union.
6. The purpose and benefit of syirkah. The goals and benefit of syirkah are: A. Provide benefit to members' capital owner. B. Provide job opportunities for his employees. C. Provide financial assistance from a portion of the process. Syirkah effort to establish place of worship, school, and so on. Corporation social responsibility, or CSR. 7. In the Encyclopedia of Islamic Law, fiqh scholar put forward several things that can cancel off in syirkah the end of the syirkah contract automatically. General, namely, 1. One of the parties resigns because, according to fiqh expert, the contract syirkah is not valid in the sense that it can be cancelled. B. One of the parties to the union dies. C. One of the parties lost their legal ability to action, like crazy who were to cure. D. One of the apostates out of Islam and fled to a country that is at war with a Muslim country because of people like this considers as dead. Each party can cancel the syirkah at any times. One of the parties dies, then the syirkah is first. The fiqh scholar also put forward things that make the end of the syirkah contract in particular when viewers from the form of the syirkah carries out, namely as follow: syirkah Amwal, Syirkah Al-Mufawadah.
Well, I think that's enough for today's presentation. Before I close the presentation, let's say Hamdalah together for the smoothest that has been given today. This is the result of the presentation from Group 7. I'm Intan Karisma Novi Anggi as the moderator of today's presentation. Thank you for the enthusiasm of all of you, and I apologize if there are wrong words intentionally or unintentionally. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.